New this morning, a Brown University assistant professor who's been working in Rhode Island for years has been deported back to Lebanon.
According to documents, Dr. Rasha Oliwa was in possession of a valid H-1B visa when she landed back in the United States Thursday after visiting her family.
And this comes after a U.S. district judge issued an order to not deport her without giving the court a 48 hours notice. Joe Cortez is live in studio with what we know so far.
Well, Patrick, Kate, there is a court hearing today at 10 a.m. in Boston on whether or not U.S. Customs and Border Protection willfully disobeyed the judge's order. And a campus-wide email was sent out yesterday. Brown University advising international students and faculty to postpone international travel as a precaution. Now, the U.S. Customs and Border Protection Agency did not clarify why she was deported, but Hilton Beckham, the Assistant Commissioner for Public Affairs with the U.S. CBP, sent out this statement. Our CBP officers adhere to strict protocols to identify and stop threats, using rigorous screening, vetting, strong law enforcement partnerships, and keen inspectional skills to keep threats out of the country. Now, this was sparking outrage among Rhode Island leaders, including Congressman Gabe Amo, who says his staff has been in direct contact with local and national lawyers, as well as other members of Congress, to gather the facts surrounding this situation. Now, the Council on American Islamic Relations, the nation's largest Muslim civil rights and advocacy organization, called on the Trump administration to immediately readmit Dr. Oliwa's deportation. Now, a protest is also scheduled outside the Rhode Island State House this evening at 6 o'clock. 12 News will continue to follow this developing story. Live in studio, Joe Cortez, 12 News.